May I seek your lordship indulgence of
Yes.
mentioning part 2, item number 11. I'm standing behalf of my senior Lord Pui Silo. My lord, kindly give another week.
Okay, consent taken from the other side?
Yes, my lord, we have taken.
I
Consent,
have no
yes.
objection, yes.
Mention is made on behalf of Mr. Lalrotpuya Silo, learned counsel for the appellant, for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by Mr. K.R.M. Rotfella, learned counsel for the respondent. In view of the above, list the matter
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
May it please your lordship. I seek your lordship's indulgence in mentioning part 2, item number 14, on behalf of Mr. Jonathan L. Saida. Learned amicus curiae. My lord, with the consent of the other side, may the matter kindly be listed after 3 weeks.
Mention is made on behalf of Mr. Jonathan L. Silo, learned amicus curiae for the appellant, for adjournment of the matter, same with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Duly obliged, ma'am.
I seek your lordship indulgence on mentioning part 2, item number 9 and 12, on behalf of my senior Miss Dinari Tiazu.
9 and
12.
12. Okay. Yes. Same consent taken?
Yes,
Same order. Yes.
I beg to mention for listing an IA minor on Monday, Lordship. Actually, it was listed on 13th of January. Due to oversight, he could not appear. My friend could not appear, Lordship. May it be listed on Monday next, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
It was, my lord, regarding income tax, Lordship. In one, I was fined for indicating the interim order, Lordship. But due to oversight on 13th of January, he could not appear, Lordship. So, my lord, maybe if it is inconvenient, Lordship, can it be
On Monday, there will be four this thing, benches sitting, including the this thing bench. Okay. So you can list it, but list it before some other bench. Okay. On Monday, any other bench.
Okay.
Let's see.
Information. Items 1 and 2.
Yes.
In this matter, respondent was supposed to file affidavit, Lordship.
Have
My
you
lord,
filed?
not yet, my lord.
Why?
May I seek some other time, my lord? I'll have to get proper instructions regarding that.
Can
What
it be-
what instructions? This is regarding compensation.
acquisition?
Acquisition.
Okay, acquisition.
Yes, ma'am.
So can it be on 16th of March, Lordship?
Okay. Is your name here in the
Yes,
cause list?
Yes, that's H. Rahman, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. H. Raman, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present along with Miss Linda L. Fumble, learned additional AG for the state respondents, and Ms. R.M. Sangput, learned CGC for the Union of India. Full stop. The learned counsels for the respondents have prayed for another day, wherein you want to file a affidavit?
Yes, my
or-
lord. We'll try to get the latest status also.
Okay,
at that time.
prayed for another date for filing the affidavit, wherein they may also inform the court of the latest status regarding the acquisition of the landed properties of the petitioners. In view of the above, as sought for, list on
16th of March, Lordship.
16/03/2026. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 3.
Can it be listed on 16th itself, my lord? Item number
Okay.
3, Lordship.
Here what, counter to be filed? Or same order?
Actually, we have to file an affidavit, actually, my lord. We are waiting for some instructions.
Wait, let's see. Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present and has prayed for time, further time to get necessary instructions in the matter. In view of the above, list on same date, March.
Obliged, Lordship.
You
Item
can
4.
write the presence of Ms. Iram Sangpui, learned CGC is noted. Okay. Yes.
Item 4.
Notice complete? No cause given? What's going on? It is in the, AD card from 1, 3, 5, and 7. Still awaited. So will anyone representing any of these 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7?
Your Lordship, we are representing respondent number 6.
Okay, so 6
I'm
complete.
respondent number 2.
2. Okay, so it's 1, 3, 5, and 7, which is still awaited, isn't it? Miss so and so appears on behalf of a senior, no, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Mr.
Daniel Shassel on behalf of Mrs. Mary L. Chiangte.
Okay, so Danny Sashil appearing on behalf of his senior, Mrs. Mary L. Kiangte, learned counsel for respondent number 6, and Ms. Zairem Sangpui, learned counsel for respondent number 2. It is seen that AD card in respect of respondents number 1, 3, 5, and 7 is still awaited. In view of the above, list the matter after 3 weeks. Return of AD card. Okay.
Item
Yes.
5.
My lord, same order may be passed in the next 2 items.
Okay, same order.
My lord, in item number 2, I'm not yet filed vakalat nama for respondent number 2. Even I receive instruction for defense the case. I may be granted some more time for
Which
filing.
one? 32? Contempt 32.
Contempt
Item number 5.
32, yes, my lord.
Yes. Okay. Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with, yes,
Daniel Shassel on behalf of Mrs. Mary L. Chiangte for respondent number 6.
okay, okay, for respondent number 6, and Ms. Zaren Sangpui, who submits that she will be representing.
Respondent number 2.
Last court date also you were there.
Yes, my lord, I have to file vakalat nama, my lord. I'm still
Okay.
awaited.
Who submits that she has yet to file her PA for and would be representing respondent number 2. In view of the above submissions, list the matter after 3 weeks for the learned counsels to file their show cause reply. Full stop. Meanwhile, we may await for the return of AD card from respondents number 1, 4, and 7. Yes,
Item 6.
My lord, similar.
but the respondents number may be different, isn't it? So and so, Danny so and so is respondent number 6. That is the same. Then Ms. Zarim Sangpui, are you appearing for? You're appearing
Respondent
for
number 2.
2, but
Yeah, I
the
have to
same
file. Yes,
same
my lord.
order. And then the remaining okay, exactly the same order as item number 5. Huh.
Item
Then-
7.
Obliged.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the state respondent 2, 4, and 5. I will be filing my affidavit in opposition next week on Tuesday.
Okay. There was someone representing Mr. P.D. Nair
I'm for
previously.
respondent number 1, 3, 6, and 8. I already filed my affidavit.
None appeared for the petitioner, while Ms. Caroline K. Lalungoypui, learned counsel, learned government advocate, submit that learned government advocate for respondents number
2, 4, and 5.
2, 4, and 5 has prayed for further time to file the counter affidavit. Same prayer is made by Ms. Zarim Sangpui.
No, my lord, I already filed
Oh,
my
file.
affidavit. Yes.
Okay, very good. While Ms. Zarim Sangpui, learned CGC submits that she has filed her counter affidavit on behalf of respondents number 1, 3, 6, 2, 8. Is it? Full stop. In view of the above, matter be listed again after 3 weeks.
Item 8.
Yeah, it will let me file now. My lord, I am for respondent number 1 to 4. I am seeking 3 weeks time for filing my affidavit.
Similar prayer, my lord. I am for the respondent 5 and 6.
Okay, is your name in the causes petitioner? No,
Yes, Your Lordship.
it's there. What's your name?
Ram Eng Moy.
Okay, Ms. Rameng Moy, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with, again, Ms. Iram Sangpui, learned CGC for respondents number 1 to 4, and Ms. Caroline K. Lalumoypui, learned government advocate for respondent number 5 and 6. Full stop. The learned counsels for the respondents have prayed for further time to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Oblige.
For orders. Item 9.
Your Lordship, I've taken steps for service of notice upon the respondents on 30th of January, and the AD card are still awaited.
Mr. Lalom Omarante, learned counsel for the appellant is present. It is seen that return of AD card from the respondents is still awaited. In view of the above,
My
list
Lord,
of-
I've deposited 50% of the award amount.
okay. In view of the above, list the matter after 3 weeks. Full stop. It is also seen that the appellants have deposited 50% of the awarded amount into this registry on
11 February.
where, let's see. There should be some note from the registry. When did you deposit? 15 February?
No, 11th February.
11th?
Yes.
Oh,
Wednesday
11th.
this
Oh,
week.
it's just, oh, but there's nothing is, there was a receipt.
Not, I have my copies. If you want to see.
Nothing in the file. Let's see your copy. Okay, 50%, okay, of the awarded amount in terms of this court's order dated 14/01/2026. Full stop. The learned counsel has therefore prayed that the operation of the impugned judgment and award dated 16/09/2025 may be stayed till the disposal of the instant MAC appeal. Full stop. This court, however, finds that there is no reflection in the office note regarding the deposit of the said amount. Oh no, of the said 50% of the awarded amount. Registry to verify. See, your documents which you have submitted, okay?
My Lord.
It says here, stay payment. I don't know, understand this, okay? So, take it out with the, let the registry verify. Why is
Yes,
it
madam.
stay payment? Something is there. It had deposited 50% of the deposit, this thing awarded amount on 11th,
Yes, my Lord, 11th February.
11/02/2026. However, there is no record of the same in the office note, okay? Then registry to verify. Matter be listed again in the next week.
Oblige, my Lord.
If the office note verifies that 50% is deposited, then we will stay the operation.
All right, my Lord. Oblige.
Item 10.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of learned counsel Mr. Lebiak Chwama. He is unable to attend today's proceedings due to unforeseen circumstances. Lordship, with the consent of the other parties, may I pray for this matter be listed after 2 weeks?
Some authorities wanted to rely on us. I've heard this matter, is it?
It's they're praying for leave for filing a third party appeal. And,
Okay. Okay, then we'll, if he's not there, what to do? Mention is made on behalf of Mr. Lalbiak learned counsel for the applicant for adjournment of the matter since the learned counsel is not able to appear due to some personal difficulty. Mr. Lal Fakoma, learned counsel for the opposite party, has not objected. Okay. You have
Respondent number 3.
okay, then Mr. Lal Fakoma is for learned
Respondent
counsel.
one only.
Respondent number 1 and Mr. Rokunga, okay? Learned counsel for respondent number 2 have not objected in view of the above. Have not objected to the adjournment, to the prayer for adjournment, okay? In view of the above, this is the matter after 2 weeks.
My lord, if we can have a date if possible,
On
24th preferably.
24/0, on?
24 of this month.
No, after 2 weeks. She's prayed for adjournment for 2 weeks.
Correct, Your Lordship. Then 2 weeks would have completed by then.
No, don't make it 24th. 1, 2, after 2 weeks,
All right.
1, 2, so it has to be done in the month of March.
March.
Give a date.
17th if possible, because the first 2 weeks I'll be on leave.
Okay. In view of the above, as sought for, list on 17/03/2026. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Item 11.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the appellant. We have filed the instant IA number 105 of 2025. Because there is an unintentional delay of 18 days in filing the instant RFA number 26 of
How many days?
18 days.
80 or
18,
18?
18.
I think we'll allow. Well, what do you have to say? In opposition to your file,
Yes, my lord.
but considering the less amount of days, what is the reason for the delay?
14/7. So we took
Wait,
18.
let's see your explanation is given in paras.
No, my lord.
Paras 1, subclause 1 to 6, Lordship.
You refused the impugned judgment on 27/3.
Yes, Lordship. And after receiving it, the appellant was out of station at his farmhouse's CPS, so we could not contact him. And after that, we were able to contact him. We were able to give the impugned judgment on 21
18
for.
days. We'll allow.
My lord, if possible, if I may take you to their petition, para 1 subclause 2.
Petition
Yes, in the IA, I mean.
in the IA, the application.
Yes, application.
Para 1 subclause 2.
Yes.
Okay.
So here, my lord, if I may, that on receiving impugned judgment and decree dated 27/3/2025 by the appellant, number 1, the matter of challenging the impugned judgment and order, and this one should be order only. There was no judgment in the order itself. Was considered, which took around 51 days to make
51
this.
days,
Yes. As the appellant had almost lost hope and tried to contact his counsel who represents him before the Debt Recovery Tribunal. Thereafter, as the counsel of the Debt Recovery Tribunal advised the appellant for them to file another appeal before the Debt Recovery Tribunal, this one also should be the Appellate Tribunal. They
Anyways,
require the present suit to be maintained injunction. So here also, my lord, it clearly is mentioned that Debt Recovery Tribunal award was already here with regards to this property. So as per to the Surface XX on 34, civil courts has no jurisdiction. Upon this, based on this one, the lower court also made a order regarding this.
That we'll consider. It's then whether the instant RFA is maintainable or not after we dispose of the condonation application, then you challenge the RFA on its maintainability.
Okay.
Okay, we cannot look into the merits of the case before this condonation application is disposed of, isn't it?
Lordship, we also filed another IA for stay of the impugned judgment.
That will be in the next state. Then
Okay.
let's dispose this off first. Heard Mr. Lalremburata Chenkwal, is it?
Yes, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the
Appellant.
applicant. Also heard,
Zouden we hem
wait,
therefore.
Mr. Zonunpui Anamte, learned counsel for the
Respondent.
opposite party. Full stop. This is an application filed for condonation of a delay of 18 days in filing the appeal against the impugned, what, is it judgment or order, order, impugned order dated 27/03/2025, passed by the learned judge, civil, learned judge, then, comma, civil,
We will just senior division 3.
okay, passed by the learned court, okay, comma, civil judge, between brackets, senior division, what, 102, what, 1?
3.
3.
See, this thing, I itself with so many small mistakes. Judgment and order, you have said you have said judgment and degree, while the impugned, the impugned order, it's an order, not a judgment and degree. Okay. Then the way you're addressing the court is also a little bit different. Simply senior division, it has this thing. Be a bit careful. Don't make these careless mistakes. It's a bit difficult for the court by just looking at your synopsis, which has got a lot of mistakes here. Anyway, senior division 3, comma, Aizawl district in civil suit number 38 of 2021. Full stop. The learned counsel for the applicant submits that the reason for the delay of 18 days in filing the connected appeal has been explained at para 1, then subpara Roman 1, okay, small 1, to Roman 6, okay, wherein the reason for the delay is not due to any negligence or laches on the part of the applicant, but the delay was caused due to the time taken for getting the appropriate advice from the counsel, and also time taken for preparation of the appeal memo, and thereafter the condonation of delay application. Full stop. Then Mr. Zodin Priyanam, learned counsel for the opposite party, in all fairness, submits that considering the less number of days required to be condoned, they do not strongly object, okay, to the application for condonation of delay. First off, he, however, mentions that the instant regular first appeal has no merits and deserves to be dismissed on the issue of its maintainability. Full stop. New para. Having considered the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, this court has perused the explanation given by the applicant at para 1, then again Roman 1 to 6, and finds that the reason for the delay was not due to any laches or negligence on the part of the applicant, and is therefore satisfied with the explanation given. Full stop. Accordingly, IA number 105/2025 stands allowed and disposed of. Then in the main RFA, on the disposal of IA number 105/2025, heard Mr. So-and-so, what is it? Chenkwan, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that learned counsel for the appellant, okay, who submits that the learned trial court had erred in passing the order dated 27/03/2025. Why? What is the reason for the appeal?
Lordship, we believe this case is uniquely of civil nature and in light of a very landmark judgment which was passed in 2025.
Okay, by submitting that in dismissing the instant civil suit number 38/2021. Since the learned trial court has a jurisdiction to consider the matter. Had erred in dismissing, okay, the civil suit on the basis of Section 34 of the SAR FAESI Act, 2002, all in capital, okay, SARFAESI Act. Since the civil suit has the jurisdiction to consider the matter, okay, in light of the various decisions of the apex court. Issue notice to the respondents. Mr. Zodinpuya Namte accepts notice on behalf of?
Respondent number 3, UCO Bank.
Okay, on behalf of respondent number 3, full stop. No need to issue formal notice to respondent number 3. Requisite copies of the appeal memo to be duly furnished to respondent number 3, full stop. Notice be issued to the respondents number 1 and 2 through registered post with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks, lest after 3 weeks. Yes. Now there's another IA. Again, we'll issue notice here. This is the next date. What's an order in the next date? Let notice be issued first, okay? Then notice has to be issued in the IA. Mention that in the next date.
Item 12.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. My Lord, this is coming up for the first time. This is an application. I am on IA 23 of 26. 23 of 2026. My Lord, this is an application whereby we're praying for leave of this honorable court to file a third-party appeal against the judgment and decree dated 25/11/2025, passed in civil suit number 8 of 2019.
So you had mentioned that all that is required is notice to be issued, isn't it?
Right, Your Lordship.
Oh, how are you affected that you want to be a third party?
Yes, Your Lordship. In this case, what happened was that the present respondent 1 and 2 had filed a civil suit against the the other respondents 3 to 13, wherein he had claimed that he was previously the owner of one permit of 1962, which was issued by the district council, the then Mizo District Council. That was partitioned into 8 different house passes, 2 of which were in their names, that is in the name of the respondent number 1 and 2 respectively, whereas the remaining 6 was issued in the name of the respondent number 8 to 13. Now, his contention was that that partition and mutation of those house passes into the name of the other respondents was without his consent and knowledge.
Okay.
During the pendency of the case, Your Lordship, what happened was that in 2009, those 6 house passes were sold by the respondent number 8 to 13 to one Mr. Zhou Ming Tanga in 2009. That was before the case. Now, the case was filed in 2019, and me being unaware that there was a pending civil suit and that I was also not informed about the same, I purchased those 6 properties in 2025 January.
Okay, from the present respondents.
From
From the respondents in
from-
the what, in the,
from the other purchaser, Your Lordship.
so are they the party in the RFA?
Who, Your Lordship?
The ones from whom you purchased?
No,
the
not yet.
landed
That's why I
property?
filed a separate IA for his implement as well. That would be subject to the outcome of this IA.
Okay, because that person was also, anyway, so, okay, we'll issue notice.
My lord.
Let's- Heard Mr. Lalfakoma, learned counsel for the applicant who has filed the instant application. Under section 151 only, is it, of the Code of Civil Procedure. Praying for leave of this court to file a third-party appeal against the judgment dated 25/11/2025 and degree dated 25/11/2025 passed by the Court of Civil Judge within bracket Senior Division close bracket dash Roman 2 in civil suit number 8 of 2019. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that the applicant submits that the rights of the applicant would be affected unless she is allowed to unless the instant integrity application is allowed. Full stop. The notice be issued to the respondents through respondents, full stop. Ms. Caroline K. Lungalo accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents number
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5. No need to issue formal notice to the said respondents. Requisite copies of the IA to be duly furnished to the learned government advocate. Full stop. Notice be issued to the remaining respondents through registered post with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks. List after 3 weeks.
In addition, Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to take dusty service upon the respondent number 1 and 2 alone.
Okay. Why? What happened? You filed to take this thing first.
Yeah,
Is there some
because-
urgency in the matter? or
Yes,
what?
Your Lordship, there's some urgency because I've already taken my permit for construction of a hospital over that property.
With
and
where?
This is in
Hospital?
Tanchil. This is in
Tanchil.
Tanchil. So, if notice can be,
Hospital in Tanchil
that is the plan, my lord.
must be a very huge land.
Like I said, Your Lordship, it's covered by 6 LSCs.
So, are you a doctor? or No,
I'm not a doctor by profession.
but you're just a construction of the building to be used as a
Proposed.
proposed to be used as a hospital. Okay. Anyways, the learned counsel for the applicant has expressed urgency in the matter and prayed that he may be allowed to serve notice upon the respondents through dusty mode as well.
No, my lord, only 1 and 2.
Okay, respondents number 1 and 2
1 and 2 only.
through dusty mode as well. Full stop. Accordingly, praise allowed, dusty mode notice may also be served to respondents number so and so through dusty mode and affidavit to that effect to be duly filed. Yes, then list after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged. My lord, off the record is that the reason why is that we may be able to come to some settlement if we, in the meantime, that's
Okay, we'll issue notice, then maybe
Let them
you
come
can
on board.
pray for the matter to be referred to mediation
After-
later,
after notice is
notice is complete.
Part 2, item number 7. Deeply obliged.
Yes. 7. Yes, Miss Caroline Kelulongapui, are you appearing here? Okay. Okay, none appeared for the petitioner
is
on
not
4,
present.
while Ms. Caroline Kelulongapui, learned government advocate for the respondents, is present. Gustav. Due to the absence of the petitioner, matter be listed after 3 weeks.